Hi students, let's see exercise 13.1, chapter 13, exercise 13.1. Okay, first question, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. Okay, it is opened at the top. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine. Okay, here there are two questions. The area of the sheet required for making the box. First, second one, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. Okay, here there are two questions. We are given with long, that means length equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth, wide, that means breadth, that is equal to 1.25 meter. Then deep, that means height, that is equal to 65 centimeter. 65 centimeter or 0.65 meter, because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 65 by 100, that is equal to 0.65 meter. Is it clear? Okay students, now it is opened at the top. Okay, opened at the top. Okay, so students listen here. Open at the top, that means L into B. This is okay. Top and bottom LB already equivalent. Okay, so except top, there are 5 faces. How many faces? 5 faces. Okay, so students listen. Surface area of cuboid. This is cuboid. Okay, cuboid. Okay, so surface area of cuboid, that is equal, what is the formula? 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, but students listen, 5, we should find area of 5 faces only without top. Okay, so minus LB. Is it clear? So here 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus LB, that is equal to LB. 2LB minus LB. Okay, so plus 2BH plus 2HL, take 2H's common, then L plus B. So students listen. Students, 2H of L plus B. Okay, 2H of L plus B, that is lateral surface area. Very good. So LB plus lateral surface area. Directly you can write it. Is it clear? For 5 phases you have to write LB plus 2H of L plus B. So here L 1.5, okay, into 1.25. 1.5 into 1.25. Then plus 2 into H, that is 0.65. L plus B, that means 1.5 plus 1.25. Okay, so that is equal to 1.5 into 1.25, 1.875 plus this is 2 into 0.65, 1.30. Okay, into this is 2.75. okay, so that is equal to 1.875 plus 3.5750. At last we have 5.45 meter square. Is it clear? 5.45 meter square. Students, next question, second one, the cost of sheet for it, if 1 meter square cost rupees 20, 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Okay, then rupees 20. Okay, then what about 5.450 meter square? So students listen, you should multiply 5.45 into 20, 5.45 into 20, then we can get it, the answer rupees 109. Is it clear? Rupees 109. So the answer is rupees 109. Is it clear? Then second question, students listen. Second question is also same. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling also. Okay, at the rate of 7.50, 7 rupee 550 paise per meter square. Students listen, second sum also only that 4 walls plus ceiling, 4 walls plus ceiling. Okay, here this is floor, this is floor no need to paint. Okay students, so here 5 faces. So this sum you can also use the same formula. What formula? This formula. Okay, so LB plus 2H of L plus B. This is the formula of second question. Is it clear? Then third question, listen students, third question. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting of the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter squared is 15,000, find the height of the hall. Students, listen here. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250. Floor of a rectangular hall looking like a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle, its perimeter is 250 meter. That means 2 of L plus B, that is equal to 250 meter. 250 meter. Is it clear? Okay. Then already we are given with area of 4 walls. What is that? If the cost of painting the 4 walls, at the rate of rupees 10 per meter squared is 15,000. Okay, rupees 10 per meter squared is 15,000. So from this we should find the area, lateral surface area, because 4 walls only, so 4 faces only, so lateral surface area. We should find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, that is equal to 15,000 divided by 10. So that is equal to 1500 meter squared. 1500 meter squared. Is it clear? Okay. Students, listen. So what is the lateral surface area? 2L plus B into H, that is equal to 1500 meter square. 2 of L plus B, 250. So here I have written 250 into H, that is equal to 1500. So H is equal to 1500 divided by 250. 6. So H equal to 6. H equal to 6 meter. So answer is 6 meter. Is it clear, students? Good. Listen students, fourth question. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Students, listen, for this you have to find the total surface area of a brick. Total surface area of a brick, that means you have to put the formula 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, and then you can get the total surface area of a brick. What is that? 937.5 centimeter square. Okay, so number of bricks that can be painted out. So how do you find it? Here the area equal to 9.375 meter square. Students, so you should divide. So this is centimeter squared, na? Here this is centimeter squared. So the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint on area equal to 9.375 meter squared. Area already given, 375 meter squared. Students, listen. So we should convert it into meter squared. 937.5 centimeter squared, na? Or that is equal to 0.09375 meter squared. How can I write it? Listen. So because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay. So meter squared, centimeter squared, that means you should divide 100 into 100. You should divide this one 100 into 100. Okay. So there are 4 0. So you should put 0.4 decimals before. 4 places before. Okay. So already point here 1 2 3 4. So 0.09375 meter squared is the answer. Okay, 0.09375 meter squared. Then students, listen. Number of bricks that can be painted out. Here question is number of bricks. We have to find number of bricks. So for this, total area, that is 9.375 meter square divided by 0.09375, because this is So total surface area of each brick, total surface area of each brick. Okay, so if we divide this one from total area, okay, total area, then we can find number of bricks. So how do you divide it? Here 1 2 3 4 5 decimal places, na? So you should 1 2 3 4 5 0. You should multiply with 1 lakh, numerator and denominator also. Okay, then that is equal to, here this will be 9375 1 2 3 4 5 0, 3 decimal places. Then here 9375 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here 1 times, this is 100 times. So answer that is equal to 100. Is it clear, students? Good. Then listen, students, then for 5th and 6th question already I have given homework. I have sent the video images also, so you should watch it. Then students, 7th question, just read the question first. Okay, if you read the question, then only you can understand the steps also. Here there are two kinds of boxes. Bigger box and smaller box. Okay, we are given with the measurement. So students, listen, 7th question, there are two kinds of boxes. So bigger box and smaller box, two kinds of boxes. Okay, so what are the dimension here? Here bigger boxes, L equal to 25 centimeter, B equal to 20 centimeter, and H equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so total surface area, that is equal to, you just use the formula 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, then at last you can get 1450 centimeter square. Okay, for smaller box also, what are the dimension? L equal to 15 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, H equal to 5 centimeter. Then total surface area, just put the same formula, 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so that is equal to 630 centimeter square. Is it clear? Then students, listen, cardboard record for all the overlaps. So what amount cardboard? 5% of TSA. This is TSA, 5% of TSA is used for overlaps, cardboard used for overlap. So we should add that one also. Okay, so what is 5% of TSA? 1450 into 5% of 5%. How do you find it? So 5 by 100. Okay, if you cancel it, then you can get 72.5 centimeter square. 72.5 centimeter square. Here the same. Here same. Okay, what is that? That is equal to, what is 5% of 630? 630 into 5 by 100. 630 into 5 by 100. That is, if you simplify it, 1 2. What is that? That is equal to 31.5 centimeter square. Okay, students. Then record surface area. What is record surface area? We should need these 5% also, because for overlap. So this plus this one, 1450 plus 72.5. What is that? 1522.50. Okay, so here what is that? We should add this one and this 31.5. So what is that? That is equal to rupees 661.50. Is it clear? Sorry, centimeter squared. So not rupees, this is centimeter squared. Okay, centimeter squared, and this is also centimeter squared. Okay, we should add these two, then at last 1522.50 centimeter squared. This is 661.50 centimeter squared. Is it clear? This is record surface area of bigger box. Record surface area of bigger box. This is record surface area of smaller box. Is it clear? Then number of boxes 250. This kind of boxes 250 we need. This kind of boxes also 250 we need. Okay, and the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. We are given the information, that is that we don't get direct rupee. Indirectly they have said that the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeters squared. 1000 centimeters squared. For 1000 centimeters squared, the cardboard is rupees 4. Okay, so students listen. Number of boxes 250 we need. So here, students listen. Here, for bigger box, okay. For bigger box, students listen. 1522.50 into 250, because we need 250 boxes. Okay, into 4 by 1000, because for 1000 centimeters squared, rupees 4. Okay, so 4 by, for 1000 rupees 4. Then what about this centimeter squared? For 1000 centimeters squared, we need for 1000 centimeters squared, the cost of cardboard is rupees 4. For 1000 centimeters squared, the cost of cardboard is 4. Then what about this centimeter squared? That means this amount into this amount. What about this? Okay, so students, if you cancel it, this is 1 to 50 already, you just cancel it, then you can get 1522.50. Okay, for this smaller box, same. How do you do it? 661.50 into 250 into 4 by 1000. Same. For 1000 centimeters squared, the cost of cardboard is 4. Then what about this amount? This centimeter squared. Okay, so this is 250. Then you should cancel it. Then 661.50. At last, you should add this amount. Then you can get the answer, rupees 2184. Okay, students, I think 8th sum is very easy. I have sent the images to you. You can easily understand it. Okay, students, thank you.